Hi guys, welcome back to Deltawest channel, and this is my third video, and today I am playing Ragdoll Engine on Roblox. So this game, I found it a while ago, and it's very interesting. It's supposed to be like if you fall, yeah, like that, like we just like topple on the ground and just like sit there, I guess. I don't know. Oh wait, okay, anyways, let's go on this balloon. No, don't take off. Wait for me! Oh, oh, I guess we'll have to wait till it comes back. Anyways, let's do some activities. Alright, this is this cannon. I wonder what it does, I'm not sure. I haven't done this one yet. Oh yeah, it shoots people. Woohoo! It shoots people really far. And now we go back. Oh, there it goes. What? What? It only launched you that far? Oh, okay. My turn. I ended up at 1, 2, 3, the third mark. Not half. Yay. Okay. Let's see how that balloon is doing. So we could go in it. Okay. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Spawn balloon. Yay. And now we could go on it. Okay, here we go. I'm so excited, I can't wait. Very nice. Oh dear, here we go. We're launching into the sky in the balloon. It's like a square balloon. Woohoo! Oh, this is. Aren't you all very excited for our ride into the sky? Like you, Mr. Unicorn. Are you excited? I bet everyone is ready. We're gonna go really far. And look how tall these towers are. They raise very strong. And then we could do some more exploring once this balloon lands, because I'm not sure where we're going. We must be going to a faraway land. How far are we? Wait, why are we still in the same spot? Maybe this just raises up. Anyways, it's very nice, and it's extremely exciting for me to be going into this balloon. I've never been in one before, and it's very nice. Wait, what happened to everyone else? How come these two are the only ones left? Where did everyone go? Huh? What the heck? Oh no. What's happening? No. Why? Oh, jeez. No. Oh. Oh. Ooh. That was fun. Oh, are you alright? Come on, let's go. You're in my head. Okay, where are we? Wait, are we on that tower? Oh, okay. I guess we do what she did. I'm a bit nervous. But we're indestructible, so I guess it's okay. Oh, wow, that's a sure one. Now we can go on this cannon. Maybe we'll launch up here. We did cartwheel, yes! And now, I think in the beginning of the video, we went on this thing. Let's check it out. It's this diving board thing into the water. We. Whoa. It's like we just like fall asleep into the water. Reminds me when I go into the pools and like I just like to float. It's very relaxing. And now I wonder what we do in this field because it looks like the people are like, oh, it sends me flying. Oh, but it sent me out. Ah, we. Whoa, wow, this is very far. Oh, I look funny. Ooh, there goes the big balloon. Look, they look like they're bouncing up and down. Going into this. Ah, woohoo. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh. This feels so cool. Face bomb. Anyways, guys, that was my third video. And, so guys, thank you for watching. Um, if you don't mind the sounds, they're just things I wanted to add if you guys wanted to play this game. This game is called, Ragdoll Engine, on Roblox, and it's actually pretty entertaining, because it's like we just walk around, and then like we could just press F, and then we could like fall down like that. Okay, so guys, thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.